Is it time to buy or sell PayPal stock? In this video, we will dive deep into PayPal. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of August, 2025, our system has classified PayPal as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 2.28%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.46% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 7.08% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -13.62% to 2.76%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of -15.58%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between -36.87% and 1.42% over the upcoming year. This would translate to a future price expected to fall between $43.22 and $69.43. Our latest daily update for PayPal includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for PayPal. The PayPal stock price fell by 1.69% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025. The stock decreased from $69.64 to $68.46. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.54%, reaching a low of $66.23 and a high of $69.90. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.56% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, yet this occurred amidst falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $961,370,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $93.66, while the lowest was $55.85. Currently, the price is 26.91%, or $25.20 below the 52-week high, and 77.93%, or $241.70 below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of July, 2021, when the price peaked at $310.16. PayPal is at the forefront this week. Executives presented at a significant fintech conference, emphasizing the company's operational focus while directly addressing investors. Concurrently, PayPal and Venmo users are being granted early access to Perplexity's new Comet AI browser, along with a 1-year trial of Perplexity Pro through a new subscriptions hub. This initiative merges artificial intelligence, product distribution, and subscription monetization. Analysts continue to highlight PayPal as a standout among mobile payment and cryptocurrency-linked stock options, with some optimistic perspectives suggesting considerable potential for growth as total payment volume and profit margins recover after a year-to-date decline. In the short term, the conference and the partnership with Perplexity are expected to enhance sentiment, drive user engagement, and may initiate a trading rebound if adoption metrics improve. In the long run, deeper integrations of artificial intelligence, a subscription distribution channel, and the expansion of Venmo and PayPal World are likely to bolster higher transaction fees, recurring revenue, and free cash flow, elements that support a sustained increase in valuation. However, risks persist due to macroeconomic volatility, cryptocurrency cycles, and competitive pressure in the buy now, pay later sector. Nevertheless, PayPal's scale and cash flow provide a strong foundation for margin recovery and returns for shareholders. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned PYPL a positive grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital rated PYPL as market perform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave PYPL a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned PYPL an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global rated PYPL as neutral with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to PayPal stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for PayPal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.35%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. The PayPal stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $69.63 and $70.66. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for PayPal. PayPal finds support from accumulated volume at $68.01, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with favorable liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.67 between its high and low, representing a movement of 5.54%. Over the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for PayPal, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, signaling a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.21. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for PayPal. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for PayPal is at $69.71. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, PayPal encounters its first support level at $68.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for PayPal from various analyst sources remains neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Keller Frank, who bought and sold 12,415 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.065. In total, insiders acquired 292,768 shares and sold 396,669 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is PayPal stock a good buy? Currently, PayPal exhibits several negative indicators and is experiencing a declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 5th of September, we expect PayPal to open lower by 263 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $68.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.